Imagine a world where children no longer play in the dirt, where houses shine with antibacterial sprays and the air always smells sterile. On the surface, it seems like an ideal environment, one free of harmful germs. But what if this obsession with cleanliness is quietly undermining our health? Consider this. A study in Finland found that urban children exposed to overly sanitized environments had higher rates of asthma and allergies than their rural counterparts who regularly played in the soil and lived close to nature. Meanwhile, researchers discovered that children who grew up with dogs or other pets were less likely to develop eczema because exposure to pet microbes helped their immune systems mature. A lack of microbial exposure is thought to contribute to autoimmune diseases such as type 1 diabetes and inflammatory bowel disease, the main types of which are Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, in which the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy tissue. More intriguingly, scientists identified a soil bacterium, Mycobacterium vaccae, which not only strengthens immunity but also acts as a natural antidepressant, reducing stress when inhaled during outdoor activities. The irony is clear. While we're waging war on germs with sanitizers, disinfectants, and antibacterial soaps, we're also cutting ourselves off from the harmless microbes that help our bodies thrive. Could it be that, in our quest to eliminate the bad, we're also erasing the good? In this exploration, we'll uncover the surprising ways in which excessive sanitization is changing our relationship with the microbial world, and why embracing a little dirt might be the healthiest decision we make. Keep watching to the end to learn how modern lifestyles are reshaping our immune systems and what you can do to restore balance. The hidden world of microbes. Beneath the surface of everything we touch, eat, and breathe lies an invisible universe teeming with life, the microbial world. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, are the foundation of life on Earth. And while they've long been misunderstood as dangerous invaders, many are crucial allies in shaping our health, particularly our immune systems. It was in the late 1600s that this invisible world was first revealed to mankind. Imagine the scene. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch tradesman and self-taught scientist, peering through a rudimentary microscope he had painstakingly constructed. What he saw changed the course of history. Tiny, wriggling creatures he called animalcules. These were the first glimpses of bacteria, yeast, and other microorganisms. Leeuwenhoek set out to find his animalcules. He found them everywhere, in rotten water, in ditches, on his own teeth. Although I am now 50 years old, he wrote to the Royal Society, my teeth are well preserved because I am in the habit of rubbing them with salt every morning. He described periodontitis. Looking through his microscope, Van Leeuwenhoek couldn't have known how deeply our lives are intertwined with microbes. His curiosity opened the door to understanding that not all microorganisms are our enemies. In fact, they're essential teachers, helping our immune systems grow stronger and smarter. How microbes shape our immune systems. Centuries after Van Leeuwenhoek's groundbreaking discovery of the microbial world, we now see the human body as a dynamic ecosystem where microbes and immune cells work in harmony. From the surface of your skin to the intricate networks of your gut, microbes are more than just passengers. They are master trainers, teaching your immune system to distinguish between harmful invaders and harmless allies, a skill essential for survival. This vital training begins at birth. Newborns enter the world with an immune system that is like a blank canvas, ready to be shaped by its first microbial instructors. Babies born vaginally acquire beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus during delivery, which help colonize their guts and aid in milk digestion. As they grow, their immune systems are further refined through exposure to a wide variety of microbes. Whether it's from crawling on the floor, playing with pets, or exploring the world with their hands and mouths. These early microbial encounters are vital. Without them, the immune system can become overactive, misfiring at harmless substances and paving the way for conditions such as allergies, asthma, and autoimmune diseases. At the center of this interaction is the gut microbiome, home to trillions of bacteria that play a starring role in immune health. Beneficial microbes such as bifidobacterium and lactobacillus actively regulate inflammation, promote the development of immune cells, and act as vigilant guardians against harmful pathogens. These microbial allies also produce critical compounds, such as short-chain fatty acids, which signal the immune system to maintain balance and prevent chronic inflammation. Recent biomedical research has uncovered even more about this intricate relationship, specifically how early microbial exposure shapes the development of CD8+ T cells, key warriors of the adaptive immune system. A study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences showed that mice exposed to a diverse microbial environment from birth experienced a significant expansion of fetal-derived CD8+ T cells. These cells not only persisted into adulthood, but also provided enhanced protection against threats such as Listeria monocytogenes. This immune training takes place in the thymus, where early microbial interactions trigger an effector-like epigenetic program in these cells, preparing them for robust responses later in life. In contrast, delaying microbial exposure until adulthood failed to replicate these benefits, highlighting a critical window in early life when the immune system is particularly receptive to microbial training. These findings confirm what van Leeuwenhoek's microscope first hinted at centuries ago. Microbes are not enemies to be eradicated, but essential partners in shaping a resilient, balanced, and intelligent immune system. How to improve your immune system. The story of microbes reminds us that not every battlefield needs a war. Instead of sterilizing every surface, perhaps we should embrace a little messiness, letting children dig in the dirt, eating fermented foods, and spending time in nature. These small acts of connection with the microbial world honor the legacy of discovery sparked by a curious Dutchman centuries ago, reminding us that health isn't just about avoiding microbes, but embracing the right ones. Maintaining microbial balance doesn't require a complete rejection of modern hygiene, but it does call for thoughtful strategies to reconnect with the microbial world. Here are 4 practical strategies. Start with your diet. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kimchi, and kefir are rich in probiotics, which replenish beneficial gut bacteria. Pair them with prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and bananas, which feed these microbes and help them thrive. Spending time outdoors is another simple but powerful way to boost microbial diversity. Gardening, walking barefoot on grass, or even hiking can introduce beneficial soil microbes. Limit the use of antibacterial soaps and disinfectants to avoid wiping out the friendly microbes your body relies on. Finally, if you are prescribed antibiotics, consider taking probiotics to help mitigate the effects of antibiotics on your gut microbiome after antibiotic use. By making these small adjustments, you can cultivate a healthier relationship with the microbial allies that play a crucial role in your immunity and overall well-being. And that's a wrap on our discussion about boosting immunity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more expert tips on immune support and healthy living. We'd love to hear from you. Drop your questions, thoughts, or suggestions in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like us to explore next. Stay tuned for more inspiring content to help you stay strong, healthy, and thriving. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.